Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we finally got our hands on the Echo Show 8, which is the size in between the Echo Show 5 and the Echo Show 10. Now, let's go ahead and get started. This is the front of the box. And here on the left side is a lot of information. On the back we got some nice little artwork. And of course some stuff to read. And then we have basically the features of the device. Down here, all the things that it's really compatible with and all the services. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Move the easy open tab. Wouldn't be Amazon if they didn't put their little smile on everything. You can see right away that this show also seems to have a carrying handle, much like the Echo Show 10. And of course, it's got its smile on the front. Let's see what else we've got in here. Got the power brick, some hello guide, and I believe that's everything out of the box. Let's see here. Getting to know your Echo Show 8, plugging it in, setting it up, getting started with your Echo Show 8. Things to try with your Echo Show 8, using the app, safety information, compliances, pretty much your standard introductory guide. We've got a 30-watt power brick with what looks to be a proprietary charging cable, so it doesn't use like a standard USB. Let's go ahead and open this. Now, we chose white for this one because the pictures on the website made it look really nice. Yeah, that looks really nice in white. Of course, it's got the rubber pad on the bottom. Looks like it's got the cord for the power. There's a micro USB here, and it looks like a speaker jack, a 3.5mm jack. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, it's good to see it still has a privacy lock on it for the camera. You can see it moving here on the front. Looks like there's the do not disturb button, the volume up button, and the volume down button. Now, just for reference, I went ahead and brought in the Echo Show 5. And just from this front to back view, you can see that the 8 is much larger than the 5. And even face to face, if I put it in the bottom corner, you can tell it's much larger still. As you can see, the 8 is much larger. It might be perfect for like a kitchen table or kitchen counter, whereas the 5 is more perfect for like a computer desk or something you're much closer to. Now, I won't compare it with the Echo Show 10 because it's really large, but it's even larger than this one by a large margin. So you might want to be careful with what you order. Alright guys, I think that's the end of our video. Let us know down in the comments what you guys would like us to unbox next. Catch you guys next time.